Hello friends, my name is Arun Kaul and I am a visiting faculty member in the Institute of Business Management and Research Gurgaon, also known as IBMR in short. I teach subjects like marketing, sales and distribution, strategic management, etc. in this institute. The coronavirus pandemic has forced all of us to be confined to our homes. Nobody can say how long this lockdown will continue. Even when it is lifted, our life will be very different from what it was before the lockdown. Please do not think that you will start leading a normal life as you were before 20th March 2020. Even later, there will be all sorts of restrictions like wearing masks, always maintaining 6 feet distance from others, washing your hands, and sanitizing them wherever you go. Experts and scientists are predicting that now it will not be a U-turn back to normal, but there's a possibility of a W curve, which means that after the first wave, there could be a second wave and then a third wave. It would keep going and coming back again and again. All this will keep disturbing our routine. Educational institutions like schools, colleges, and universities may open for a short time only to close down after a few weeks, open again and close down yet again. Our movements will be greatly restricted. We will be confined to our homes more and more. Therefore, in the coming months and years, we'll have working from home, home entertainment, home fitness, and similarly home education. The good news is that our country, India, is not as badly battered as some of the developed countries like the US, the UK, Italy, France, Spain, Germany, etc. We also have a resource in abundance unlike the Western world. That is all of you, the youth of India. India is a country with a large population under 35 years of age, which once trained can help us to rise above the losses we have suffered during this crisis and become a leading nation. The Western economies will take much longer to get back on their feet. On the other hand, there is an economic and emotional backlash against China. No country or its people want to do business with the Chinese, and nations are pulling out of China. Global supply chains which used to originate in China are moving away from China. You must have read that the Japanese government is financially helping its companies to get out of China, even if it is at a high monetary cost. This has resulted in a large number of international companies looking to set up base in other Asian countries like India, Indonesia, Taiwan, Vietnam, etc. Many multinational companies are already having talks with our central and state governments for shifting their production units to India. I therefore see an excellent opportunity for the youth of our country in the next 5 to 10 years. There will soon be a large requirement for qualified and skilled professionals in our country. We Indians have already shown the world that we are capable of being the best in every field. You are aware of Indians all over the globe like Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, Indra Nui, etc. I need not tell you about the respect Indians command internationally from the last 20 years. You have to be fully competent and qualified and ready for the future. Otherwise, you'll miss the bus. In such times, it is extremely important for you to be prepared for what we call e-learning, that is learning through the internet. For this, you'll have to prepare yourself in two ways. The first concerns you yourself. It involves only a small investment to be made, an investment that will pay tremendous returns in the future. I suggest you get yourself a good laptop. Good does not necessarily mean expensive. Laptop prices have come down drastically, and now is a good time to buy one if you don't have one already. Along with this, you need a good broadband connection of at least 5 Mbps. Second, you need to look around and find means of enhancing your educational qualifications and skills. For this, you must choose an institute or business school which has the capability to conduct courses in a blended manner. What is the meaning of blended method of teaching? This means that the institute has the ability to conduct physical classroom sessions as well as sessions through the internet, what we call a virtual classroom. We don't know how long the lockdown will continue, and even when it opens, for how long it will open before it closes yet again. You cannot afford to have interruptions in the learning process or lose a year because of this pandemic. Your classes should be either held physically in the institute or virtually through the internet without any interruption. That is why I would strongly recommend that you should join IBMR, which is in a position to provide you uninterrupted learning in these uncertain times. You will find on the IBMR website more about the institute and the courses being offered, along with detailed information about the admission process and the due dates. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.